guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another random roundup. This is a new series on my channel where I go through my vanity and pick random makeup out of my drawers. I don't even think about it. I just grab it and go for it. Maybe I'll find some combos I love. Maybe I'll find products that I hate now and I can get rid of. I just really want to utilize all of the makeup in my vanity. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to get ready with me in this random roundup, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing another random roundup. So in this video I'm going to be using another random assortment of makeup out of my vanity that I just chose and didn't really think too hard about it. So first I'm going to prime my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer spray, and then going in with the Tatcha the Silk Canvas primer. I just tested out the new e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I broke out, and I don't know if that's what broke me out, but I have tested that out and it is supposed to be a dupe for this, so I will link that video down below if you guys want to check it out. I am thinking about doing a side-by-side comparison on them. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. I don't think I've used this foundation since I filmed a wear test on it, but I remember liking it, I think. So I'm super broken out right now, as you can see. This foundation does not have very much coverage. Oh my gosh, look how light this looks. I'm gonna add some more onto my cheeks. And then I'm gonna go over the top of that with my sponge. Not bad. I was able to build up the coverage on my cheeks, but it will not cover these two massive zits that will not go away from my forehead. Next, I'm going to take the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Nude Ivory. I just picked this up and tested it out, and I wanted to try it again. I liked it, but I also baked with it, and I shouldn't have done that because I haven't baked in forever. So I'm not going to bake today. To set my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 10 Fair Light. And then picking up that powder on this Eco Tools sheer powder brush. To contour, I'm going to go into the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I love this. On this Morphe R10, I pick up this middle ashy shade. For bronzer, I'm going to go into the NYX Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Light. And this is a more red toned bronzer, but I do like it. I'm just, oh, so much kickback. I'm taking this multitasking powder brush from Eco Tools. For blush, I'm going to go into the Pretty Vulgar Hush Blush in Make Them Blush. Or is it Make Them Blush in Hush Blush? I don't know. Just taking that on a Luxie 522. For highlighter, I'm actually going to take the James Charles Morphe palette and pick up Face because I've heard that's a really good highlighter, so I'm going to try it. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty. Just going to contour my nose really quick with my Beige Cosmetics 104 brush. I am going to take my favorite lipstick, which is the LORAC Highly Pigmented Lipstick in Minimalist. And then I'm going to take this No. 7 High Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Just Peachy. Wanted to see what it would look like over the top of this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of this eye look and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished up this eye look. I did film this, so I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. The foundation I actually really like. I'm surprised by how much I like it. I think it's only the second or third time I've used it. It's definitely not full coverage. Did not cover this horrible breakout right here, but On my skin, it looks really pretty. I think I like the concealer. I might need to mess with it and test it out with a couple of different powders to see which combo works the best, but I think it's a really good concealer. The powder I love, it's a no fail. The primers I really like. I really like the NYX matte bronzer. It's very, like I said, it's very red toned, almost like if you got sunburned and it was turning into a tan. That's kind of what this bronzer reminds me of because of the undertone, but I really like it. I think it's pretty. It'd be perfect for the summertime. This blush was really pretty too. I was surprised. It's kind of a interesting shade. It's very toned down. I'm like getting way more into like bright blushes. It's hilarious because I used to hate blushes, but I really like that blush. I think it's really pretty. And the highlighter from the James Charles palette, I used it on my face today. I think it is gorgeous. Okay guys, so that was everything for this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any suggestions or products that you want me to bring back and retest out, or products you want me to go out and try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.